Hello everyone, this is Namita Shri from Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. Now, I am going to present a seminar on the subject System Simulation and Modeling. And my topic is Building and Virtual Shop Model for Steel Fabrication. So, steel fabrication is a complex process which provides uniqueness in the product. And the industry needs advanced tools and techniques in order to estimate, plan, and control fabrication shops. Modeling enhancements have enabled more accurate modeling of machine and labor productivity as well as better management of shop production rules. Introduction. As we all know, steel is an important component in buildings, bridges, and other structures for more than a century. It allows designers and contractors to construct both simple and complex structures in an efficient, time saving, orderly, and economic ways. These benefits are ensured through a well planned and controlled steel fabrication processes. And here we have a steel fabrication process flowchart. First of all, detailing involves a number of machining operations such as cutting, holing, and grinding to shape steel components as specified in fabrication drawings. There are a number of cutting methods that can be applied, such as sawing, shearing, flame, or plasma cutting, depending on the material type and dimension. And next, fitted pieces are passed to welding stations for final welding according to the fielding specification. Most welds made on structural steel and heavy plates are either grooved welds, joining surfaces on the same plane, or fillet welds with joined perpendicular edges. During the steel fabrication process, raw materials and steel pieces are handled and moved by bridge cranes, jibs, conveyor systems, and guided carts. Inspection and checking activities are also carried out at each stage of the fabrication process to ensure product quality. There are many exceptions to this general process description. On many occasions, steel pieces are moved from the initial stage directly to shipping if no welding is required. Other pieces could potentially move back and forth between fitting, welding, and surface preparation. Occasionally, pieces can move from fitting back to detailing, such as in the case where matching drilling is required. Typical and occasional flows of steel materials are illustrated in this flowchart. And now, what is a virtual shop modeling system? A virtual shop model capable of capturing the complexity of steel products, resources, activities, their interactions, and the uncertainties of a steel fabrication shop would be a great value to steel fabricators. Based on currently available simulation tool designs, the proposed virtual shop modeling system would extend the capabilities of these modeling system and address the uniqueness requirements of modeling steel fabrication processes. The system supports the process of building and deploying a virtual shop model by supporting steel product modeling, process modeling, and fabrication facility modeling. And here we have the virtual shop modeling system architecture. We have control systems and graphical facility model. And under control system, we have product or process modeling. And under graphical facility model, we have facility modeling. The steel fabrication process is complex because steel products are themselves complex. Steel fabrication includes a limited number of operations. However, steel products are quite varied, thus making their processing and routing requirements within a steel fabrication facility different from one product to another. This observation has resulted in a distinction between the study of steel products and the study of fabrication facility where steel products are produced. The overall modeling system comprises both the product modeling or process modeling system, that is PPMS, and the fabrication facility modeling system, that is FMS, and the system architecture is illustrated in the given flowchart. The developed modeling system is intended as a platform for building virtual shop model for steel fabrication capable of capturing steel products, resource interaction, and various uncertainties in an industrial shop environment. Besides, normal uses of simulation modeling in new system design and bottlenecking analysis, users can also perform estimating and scheduling tasks with its model. Thank you.